This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to convert from numbers into Roman numerals online. So I like to use this site at timeanddate.com. It's a Roman numerals calculator. You can see the URL right here on the screen. I will of course put that in the video description, so you can just click on that link and wind up here. Now it's super simple. By default we see 2026, the year is in here, and we can see that 2026 in Roman numerals is in fact MMXXVI, or however you'd say that officially in Latin. So we've got, you can easily just change your number here. So if we put 33, we can click calculate, and we can see 33 is in fact XXX111, and we can see what that is in Roman numerals. So if you were using this on a site or in social media or something, you just highlight that, copy and paste, and you can just put that into your document, Google Doc, whatever it is, online. And we can do the reverse as well. We can do Roman numerals to numbers as well, of course, from here. It's a super simple site. You can bookmark this, use it anywhere in the world, whether you're on your cell phone, mobile phone, tablet, desktop, it doesn't matter. And the good thing about this site, it's nice and clean from ads. There's a lot of these sites that do this, and they're littered with ads all down the side and around and stuff. It's kind of hard to see what's going on. This one doesn't do that, which I really like. So timeanddate.com is the URL. It's in the video description. Hopefully you found this video on how to convert from numbers to Roman numerals useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.